Well, the heater fan in the CLK packed it up today when it was minus 15. Well, it packed up last night at minus 15, and it's still minus 15 today because it's just supposed to be getting colder. So my temporary fix lasted about 3.5 weeks, maybe 4 weeks, which is, hey, it's a temporary fix. I knew it was temporary, but I just wasn't sure how temporary, and I was putting it off because it's freaking cold out. But anyway, it's nice and sunny. Look up through the sunroof. Look at that. But that's ice. Anyway, I'm going to be going to my wrecking yard to get another fan, and they got a ton of wrecked Benzes there, and they got some really cool old stuff. They don't really throw away all the old stuff sometimes, so just for the fun of it, I might as well show you some of the cool stuff they have at the wrecking yard. Gotta stop and get coffee on the way though, but look how nice and bright and sunny it is, even though it's freezing cold out. Still a nice, bright, sunny day. Anyway, I'll be back to you when I get to the wrecking yard.
Butter?
Ooh, salted caramel donut.
Okay.
Gotta have it. Salted caramel donut. Oh yeah, yeah, that was good. This is the beautiful drive in the middle of winter time to go to the wrecking yard. Even where I am, like 100 kilometers an hour on these side roads. Yeah, they're a little bit slippy, but they're okay. It's just a gorgeous drive out in the middle of nowhere. As we crest this hill at the very far end, you'll be able to see that's where I'm going to the wrecking yard at the very far end of the horizon, top of the hill there. Yeah, at the top. Anyways, it could be better if it was summertime. What a beautiful day. Just pulled into the wrecking yard and check out this old DeSoto limousine. It is a DeSoto, yeah, it's a DeSoto limousine. Pretty sweet. Behind a giant pile of snow here. It's Cookstown Auto Wreckers. And a bunch of rebuilder cars for sale or whatever. And my fan has just given up again. Let's see if we can get it to make any noise. See, I've got the cover off down there. No toast. Done. Anyway, I'm getting a fan here. I will be back. Very cool. This is where all the new stuff's coming in. It hasn't been categorized yet. Behind the fence is really new stuff that you can't go in without someone else. And way beyond that, all the way to the tree line, is cars, cars, cars. And my hand is freaking gonna fall off in 2 minutes because it's so cold. Here's the Volkswagen area. Goes down there about as far as the horizon. This is kind of mixed, like Nissan, Subaru, Kia, Hyundai and stuff in the middle with some Mercedes and BMW mixed in. Damn, it's cold today. Over the top, that's Der Scheißer American Auto, Ford. Well, Ford plus Ford goes all the way down to the end. Damn, it's hard to figure out what's what. Is that an RX-7? I think so. Anyway, when I find something Mercedes-ish, oh, I think I'm looking at one right there. Silver. That is a W210. Filled with snow. Anyway, we're going to keep looking around here. It's hard to find anything in the winter. Everything looks the damn same. Check this out. 1976 Jensen Healey. Looks like it was, oh crap, burned. Damn. I don't know if this isn't the Interceptor, is it? body shell's good. Well, well, you know, kind of. Oh, what a shame. Well, here's a real find, a W208. Not sure the year. I almost walked past this one because, again, all covered in snow, hard to tell what the hell it is. Wonder if it's got a blower motor. I really doubt it. Appears not to. Crap. What else we got in the vicinity? I don't know, my hand is freezing off. Oh, there's another W210. Back in a minute. 1985 S-Class. S-E-L, I think. Even old and froze, it still sounds Mercedes-benz closing. Sorry if this is boring for some guys, but to me this is fun. Oh, here's another W210. Anybody needing parts, Cookstown Auto Wreckers, especially interior stuff in Canada, it stays. It doesn't die like it does in areas where it's warmer. There was another W210 over here, right across from us. Basically picked apart. It's hard to tell. Find them in the snow, they all look the same. There's a W124 over there. I'm not marching through the snow to get to that though. Another 1980s S-Class. This one's pretty used up. Yeah, it's hard to find them. What I'm really looking for in here is, I've been told there's an Aston Martin Lagonda in here somewhere, which I really want to freaking see. Anyway, oh, there's a W202 C280 right there, beside the Volvo. $1998. Oh, Sport Edition, sport seats, perfect shape, sport wheel, little wrecked. Yeah, sport seats, not even a mark on the bolsters. Perfect black leather. Anyway, we'll keep looking for that damn Lagonda. Oh, you got a white W202. Oh, pearl white. Oh, someone's played with this. Look at that. Someone's done some paint. Still looking. Well, I did manage to get one, and it was out of the CLK that was all snow covered. It looked like someone had pulled the bottom panel out, and they had, but they hadn't pulled the fan out. So the fan was in there, and damn, it's cold out here. Unfortunately, I was going to show you removing it, but the seat, as you can see, when they had this accident, the seat was, I can't get my head in there. So it was all done by hand. I had to use my phone as a mirror so I could see up in and get the bolts out. There was no way to film it for it, was just too dark under there. So I do have my replacement fan, and we're going to be keeping playing in this wrecking yard. This isn't really a fan removal video anyway, this is just a fun day in the wrecking yard video. There's a drive shaft in here with me. All kinds of other cool ski bag. I will be back when I find some more fun stuff. Well, an hour later, and well, an hour in the junkyard playing around. You can hear the fan blowing.
15 bucks. Not bad. And I got to keep the old one to rebuild.
Yay!